Hey there! Living in a big city can be exhilarating, but it also comes with its share of challenges. One of the biggest? Space. Today, I'm going to tell you why downsizing to a micro apartment might just be the best decision you could make. First off, let's talk about simplicity. Micro apartments, typically ranging from 200 to 400 square feet, force you to prioritize what's truly important. It's about making intentional choices, keeping only what you need and love. This shift can lead to a more clutter-free, stress-free lifestyle. And it's not just about less stuff. One of the biggest perks of tiny living is the financial saving. Rent and utility bills are significantly lower, which means more money in your pocket for experiences, like traveling, dining out, or catching the latest show in town. Imagine the freedom of spending less on rent and more on the things that truly make you happy. But how do you make such a small space work? It's all about smart design. Think multifunctional furniture like a sofa that transforms into a bed or a dining table that doubles as a workspace. Vertical storage is your best friend. Shelves, hooks, and hanging racks can turn walls into valuable storage areas, keeping your floor space open and airy. Natural light is another game changer. Large windows and light-colored walls can make a small space feel much bigger than it is. Mirrors, too, can create the illusion of more space. And don't forget plants. They bring life and color, making your apartment feel more like a home. Now, let's talk community. Living in a micro apartment often means being part of a larger building with shared amenities. Gyms, lounges, rooftop gardens. These can extend your living space beyond the four walls of your apartment. Plus, it's a great way to meet new people and foster a sense of community. Of course, tiny living isn't for everyone. It requires a certain mindset and adaptability. You'll need to be comfortable with a more minimalist lifestyle and be creative with your space. But if you're up for the challenge, the rewards can be tremendous. So why should you consider downsizing to a micro apartment? It's about embracing a simpler, more sustainable way of living. It's about financial freedom and the ability to focus on what truly matters to you. And it's about making a small space feel like a big, vibrant home. If you're intrigued by the idea of tiny living, take a tour of some micro apartments in your city. See how others are making it work and get inspired. You might just find that downsizing is the upgrade you've been looking for. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's make living small, living large. See you next time.